मुझे इसके बारे में पता नहीं था। I wasn't aware of that. I wasn't aware of that. मुझे ठीक से सोचने दो। Let me think it through. Let me think it through. कहना आसान है, करना मुश्किल। That's easier said than done. That's easier said than done. मुझे अभी भरोसा नहीं हुआ। I'm not convinced yet. I'm not convinced yet. उनकी बात भी सुनते हैं। Let's hear them out. Let's hear them out. मैं किसी तरह संभाल लूंगा। I'll manage somehow. I'll manage somehow. मुझे वो ठीक नहीं लगा। That didn't sit right with me. That didn't sit right with me. आजकल मैं कम कर रहा हूँ। I'm cutting back these days. I'm cutting back these days. इसे थोड़ा समय देते हैं। Let's give it some time. Let's give it some time. ठीक ठीक समझ नहीं पा रहा। I can't put my finger on it. I can't put my finger on it. सही दिशा में कदम है। That's a step in the right direction. That's a step in the right direction. अपने विकल्प देख रहा हूँ। I'm weighing my options. I'm weighing my options. हंगामा मत करो। Let's not make a scene. Let's not make a scene. अभ्यास छूट गया है। I'm out of practice. I'm out of practice. इससे बहुत कुछ साफ हो गया। That explains a lot. That explains a lot. मैं फिर से पूछताछ करूंगा। I'll follow up on that. I'll follow up on that. उम्मीद करते हैं सब ठीक हो। Let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's keep our fingers crossed. मुझे इसमें सहज नहीं लग रहा। I'm not comfortable with this. I'm not comfortable with this. वो मुद्दे की बात नहीं। That's beside the point. That's beside the point. मुझे ये साफ समझना है। I need to get this straight. I need to get this straight. सुरक्षित तरीका अपनाते हैं। Let's play it safe. Let's play it safe. धीरे धीरे समझ आ रहा है। I'm slowly getting there. I'm slowly getting there. ये साहसी कदम है। That's a bold move. That's a bold move. इससे बहस नहीं कर सकता। I can't argue with that. I can't argue with that. ज़्यादा मत करो। Let's not overdo it. Let's not overdo it. आज बहुत थकान है। I'm feeling drained today. I'm feeling drained today. दोनों के लिए फायदे की बात। That's a win-win situation. That's a win-win situation. मैं इसे हाँ मान लेता हूँ। I'll take that as a yes. I'll take that as a yes. विकल्प खुले रखते हैं। Let's keep our options open. Let's keep our options open. मुझे इसकी आदत नहीं। I'm not used to this. I'm not used to this. तुम्हारे लिए कहना आसान है। That's easier for you to say. That's easier for you to say. मुझे अपने विचार समेटने हैं। I need to gather my thoughts. I need to gather my thoughts. इसमें जल्दबाजी न करें। Let's not rush into it. Let's not rush into it. अब बात समझ आ रही है। I'm starting to see the point. I'm starting to see the point. ये मेरे लिए मंजूर नहीं। That's a deal breaker for me. That's a deal breaker for me. आगे मैं संभाल लूंगा। I'll take it from here. I'll take it from here. इसे यही छोड़ देते हैं। Let's put this behind us. Let's put this behind us. एनर्जी कम है। I'm running on low energy. I'm running on low energy. मेरे दिमाग में आया ही नहीं। That didn't cross my mind. That didn't cross my mind. मैं तुम्हें अपडेट देता रहूंगा। I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. यही सीमा तय करते हैं। Let's draw the line here. Let's draw the line here. मैं इसे पूरी तरह नकार नहीं रहा। I'm not ruling it out. I'm not ruling it out. ये मानना मुश्किल है। That's a tough pill to swallow. That's a tough pill to swallow. प्राथमिकताएं तय करनी है। I need to get my priorities straight. I need to get my priorities straight. पूरी तस्वीर देखते हैं। Let's look at the bigger picture. Let's look at the bigger picture. बहुत आखिरी समय पर पहुंच रहा हूं। I'm cutting it close. I'm cutting it close. इसके लिए मैं तैयार नहीं था। That's not what I sign up for. That's not what I sign up for. बीच का रास्ता निकालते हैं। I'll meet you halfway. I'll meet you halfway. सीधे मुद्दे पर आते हैं। Let's not beat around the bush. Let's not beat around the bush. बात करके अच्छा लगा। I'm glad we talked this out. I'm glad we talked this out.